Hello, here is FCNFM. Do you want to know how to get wood chips, sawdust from wood waste easily? Or do you want to change your wood waste into any sizes as you wish? Come to see the wood crusher, also named wood chipper, hammer mill crusher, which can help you to finish what you want. As a supplier, we can meet your demand about the machine, make it move, and control the size of wood chips or sawdust. If you want further information, just reach Chinese FCNFM team. More things made in China, more wood crusher machines made in China. If you want to know more, please contact us.